You gonna swing him? Be careful. Don't make him dizzy now. Caden, don't make him dizzy. Caden, don't twist him, but so much. Let him untwist. There we go. You're gonna make him dizzy. Who knew that a Johnny jump up would be so much fun?